Hello. Dictionaries are often considered one of the most Pythonic constructs, making Python coding so convenient and distinctive in a good way from many other languages. While lists and arrays can be seen as mappings between non-negative integer indices and array elements, dictionaries take it one step further, implementing custom mappings between arbitrary entities of pretty much any type. So for example, consider a mapping between state abbreviations and full state names. We can implement as a dictionary defining a set of mapping rules between state abbreviations and full state names. So here's the first rule, and let me add also a second one too. So notice that the set of dictionary rules is enclosing curly braces, similar to the set syntax in Python. Perhaps this is not coincidental, as while being different constructs, sets and dictionaries have something in common. Both are unordered structures. So the order of those mapping rules here doesn't really matter. Now if we want to add a mapping rule for a new key, we can do so by using an assignment syntax, pretty similar to assigning an element of a list. And if we have an abbreviation for which we want to get the full name of the state, we can do so just like indexing an array or a list. But now the index doesn't have to be integer, but we can use a key of any type for which we defined a mapping in the dictionary. Alternatively, we can use a method get to access the value of the dictionary corresponding to a key. It gives us the same result. So now, if you have a list of the values for which we want to apply the dictionary list of the state abbreviations for which we want to get the full state names, we can use a dictionaries method get to map it to the entire list of values, just like that. We just need to convert the result into a list, and it will return us the list of full names of the states corresponding to those given abbreviations. Alternatively, we can get the same result using list comprehension syntax, going through all the elements of the list and applying the dictionary to them. As you can see, we get the same result. So we just considered how to create a dictionary, how to use it to map single values, or the entire list of values. But utility of dictionaries goes way beyond simple mapping operations. Actually, they have numerous applications. And in the next video, we'll give an example of using dictionaries as a convenient structure for data accumulation. Stay tuned.